Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right target. Use your display name, not the immutable account name. Next, pick the emoji you want, copy it from your device emoji picker or a character app. Make sure the display name will stay within 320 characters once the emoji is included, because length rules still apply. Once done, open Roblox Profile Edit Display Name and paste the emoji into the name field. Move fast. This gets you into the editable field and ready for the core steps. Now you perform the core action. Paste the emoji into the display name field and pair it with your chosen text. You want to see how the emoji renders. Some multi-part emoji become a single glyph, so if it breaks, replace it with a simpler emoji. Make sure to try placement, start, middle, or end, because visibility and truncation can change depending on length. Once you like the look, click Save. Also check the name on both desktop and mobile, because rendering can differ. Finish by saving the display name and verifying it on your profile page. Display names update and can be changed weekly. If the emoji is stripped or shows as a box, make sure you used a standard Unicode emoji rather than a device-specific sticker. Swap to a simpler emoji and retry. If problems persist, clear your browser or app cache, update Roblox to the latest version, or switch from mobile to desktop. That one trick often fixes
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.